Hey guys, my name is Christopher Benton. I'm going to show you some things today so you can get a little glimpse to my world and to my research. The first thing that you'll probably notice is we have some sick carpets. All of these carpets are from a project that I've been working on in the carpet souk in Nahaiyat in Abu Dhabi. And they all have some pretty sick designs. This is one of the art objects currently in my studio. I made this with a friend of mine who's a really amazing car upholsterer. And I really love it because he used all these different offcuts from different projects he was working on. So this like pink upholsteries from a Mercedes G500 truck. And now you see it sort of condensed into this wheelbarrow that we worked on together. So my art practice is really an interrogation on how diasporic people bring a sense of homeland with them to a new place. Here in UAE, where 90% of the people are foreigners, I think it's really important to think about how we make this place home. So my practice really looks at the material culture around the things we create. The first one here is a project that we're looking at to imagine a public plaza and park at the carpet market in Nahaiyat. I have a bunch of random keychains, maybe like 1,000 keychains. As an artist, I think it's really important to try to give a rendering of what it's like to live in a place, and I think to do that is really important to collaborate with as many people as possible across a really wide cross-section of, I think, class and identity. The past 6 months has been really great at 421 because I've been able to have time and space to think, and also has given me a really great opportunity to focus on my research and really progress these projects that I care a lot about.